Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I had an opportunity emailed to me from Kokorosa to test out some of their dyes. It came in this nice packaging. I also got a code for you guys, 25% off, and I will have their YouTube channel as well as their store website linked and the code also in the description box for you. I picked up 4 different dyes. The first one is called Rotating Border Background Board. Now, I left this one together because this other one I got here, Line Hollow Background, the pieces come apart. They take them all out. I'll show you. I got it on a magnet. I save all these little magnets. See? You just... And I'll get some sandpaper later, and I'll just smooth that edge down a little where you pop them out. Because if you can see, or on this one, I put the magnet in there already. That's how it comes when you see it. They're together. This is when it looks like when they're popped out. Okay? So I just want to let you guys know. You just move it back and forth, and it comes right undone. Real easy. Real easy. I just put them on my little magnets that I keep. And I just put them back in the packages. So that is 1 and 2 I picked. Like I said, this one is called Rotating Border Background. It's $7.99. Looks like that. This one is Line Hollow Background, $5.99. And then I picked this one. This one is Hard and Hollow Line Background. And then a 3D Butterfly. Oh, this one is $6.69. And the 3D Butterfly is $4.99. So them are the dies that I picked for this from Kokorosa. And I've already used them and made products. I'm going to do another video for that one. But they're well made. Went through the die cutting machine. Awesome. Because I wanted to kind of test them out before I came and did the unboxing. They cut well. So I didn't find anything that gave me a problem. So that was good. And like I said, they come with all the pieces inside. You can see the little metal piece right there. You just back and forth and it comes right undone. So I will have their YouTube channel as well as their store or their website. Use the code and you get 25% off your first order, everybody. Let's go check out Kokorosa. Thanks, guys. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.